What if I told you a 4-year-old boy from Pakistan changed the lives of thousands of children and paid the ultimate price for it? This is not a movie. This is the true story of Iqbal Masih, the boy who fought slavery and became a hero the world will never forget. Iqbal was born in 1983 in a poor family near Lahore, Pakistan. His parents worked hard, but poverty followed them like a shadow. When Iqbal was just 4 years old, his family borrowed 600 rupees, less than $10, for his brother's wedding. But that small loan would change Iqbal's life forever. They didn't know that by signing that paper, they were signing away their son's childhood. Part 1. The Chains of Childhood. The moneylender was a carpet factory owner. He said, Iqbal will work for me until the loan is repaid. It sounded temporary, but it was a trap, the beginning of bonded labor, from sunrise to sunset. Little Iqbal worked in a dark, airless room, weaving carpets with bleeding fingers. He worked 14 hours a day for almost nothing. He was not alone. Dozens of children worked beside him, their tiny hands tied in chains of fear and debt. If anyone slowed down, they were beaten. If they spoke, they were silenced. At an age when most children are learning to write their names, Iqbal was learning what pain feels like. Part 2. The Spark of Freedom. One day, Iqbal heard something unbelievable. A group called the Bonded Labor Liberation Front, BLLF, was freeing children like him. For the first time, he realized something powerful. I am not a slave. I am a child. So one day, when the factory owner wasn't watching, Iqbal ran. He ran through the dusty streets, barefoot and scared, but determined to find the BLLF office. When he reached them, he was trembling. He told them everything. And that's how a 10-year-old boy broke his chains and began breaking everyone else's. Part 3. The boy who became a voice. Iqbal joined the movement and began speaking at rallies. He was small in size, but his words were powerful. He said, I was only 4 years old when I started working. I have been freed, and I want every child to be free. He traveled across Pakistan, visiting villages, factories, and schools, spreading awareness. Each time he spoke, people listened. Each time he told his story, another child found hope. By the age of 12, Iqbal had helped free more than 3,000 children from bonded labor. He even traveled to Sweden and the United States, receiving awards and telling the world what was happening in his country. In 1994, he won the Reebok Human Rights Award. He said he wanted to become a lawyer to fight for the rights of children everywhere. For the first time in his life, Iqbal could dream. Part 4. The Price of Courage. But in a world where money and power control everything, truth can be dangerous. On April 16, 1995, Iqbal Masih was riding his bicycle home from church when he was shot and killed. He was just 12 years old. The people cried. The children wept. The world lost a warrior, but his voice did not die. Part 5. The legacy that never died. After Iqbal's death, people around the world stood up. His story inspired laws against child labor and organizations to protect children's rights. Schools were built in his name, including the Iqbal Masih School in Pakistan. His message still echoes. No child should hold tools in their hands when they should be holding pencils. Landing message. A hero forever, Iqbal. Masih's life was short, but his courage was larger than life. He showed the world that even a small voice can shake powerful systems. And maybe, just maybe, the world still needs Iqbals. Children brave enough to dream of freedom, and people kind enough to help them get there. Iqbal Masih, 1983-1995. The boy who fought for freedom. If this story touched your heart, share it. Let Iqbal's voice be heard again.